Want to watch some brands set themselves on fire? In our cancel culture world where every move is scrutinized under the unforgiving lens of social media, these well-known brands really took some wild swings with their marketing strategies. Here are 3 cancel-worthy ads that may just make your jaw drop. First up, we have Dettol, the disinfectant brand that took a shot at targeting the most unlikely audience ever, people who unalive other people. In an attempt to show how well their product works, they released an ad that left people shaking their heads. The ad suggested that their product could actually be used for cleaning up after certain very serious criminal activities. Now, while it's understandable to highlight versatility, this probably went a bit too far. While the intention may have been to spark attention or to generate buzz, the execution went beyond extreme. The lesson? Brands should carefully evaluate the scenes they depict and the audiences they target. Considering the potential interpretations and sensitivities surrounding certain subjects can help avoid unintended controversies and ensure that marketing efforts resonate positively with consumers. Do you think this was a killer ad? In 2012, Reebok revealed a special message to their audience. Men, cheat on your girlfriends. Reebok, the sports brand, attempted to inject humor into their marketing strategy by rolling out a series of billboards in Germany. The slogan read, "Cheat on your girlfriend, not your workout." Now, the intention behind the slogan may have been a play on words and encouraging individuals to prioritize fitness goals over other distractions, but the execution may have completely missed the mark. The public response was mixed, to say the least, with many feeling infidelity was being trivialized. Now, from a marketing perspective, you gotta recognize the potential impact of messaging on brand perception and public sentiment. Reebok quickly retracted the ads, issued a public apology, and corrected course. Brands can learn from Reebok's experience by carefully evaluating the alignment between messaging and brand values while being mindful of the broader cultural context in which their ads are received. And finally, brace yourself for this one. The World Wildlife Fund, an organization known for its noble causes, boldly decided to utilize simulated footage of the 9/11 tragedy to draw attention to the tsunami relief efforts. What the fuck were they thinking? Take a look. While their intentions may have been rooted in compassion and raising awareness, the execution completely flopped. WWF sparked a wave of controversy by attempting to draw parallels between 2 vastly different tragedies. From a marketing perspective, the decision to intertwine sensitive imagery with a humanitarian message raises questions about the appropriateness and effectiveness of the approach. When trying to connect emotionally, it's crucial to think about how it might affect the audience and what the overall message actually implies. In marketing, where creativity collides with consumer sentiment, each of these examples highlights the fine line between capturing attention and totally crossing boundaries. While marketing campaigns strive to be memorable and impactful, they must do so with sensitivity and responsibility. And by doing this, brands can not only avoid the pitfalls of cancellation, but also build stronger connections with their audience based on trust and authenticity.